In this video, we'll walk through conducting a search for company information in Business Source Complete. Begin on the library's homepage, libraries.olemiss.edu. Scroll past the image until you see Search Here in Libraries search bar. Below the search bar, you'll see Databases. Now that you're on the database A through Z, select B for Business Source Complete and scroll through the list until you find it. To search for company profiles and SWOTs in Business Source Complete, we'll begin by conducting an advanced search. To the far right, right above the search bar, you'll see the advanced search option. Now, type in the company name that you're interested in. Scroll down until you see publication type. Here, we're going to select company profile and we're going to select SWOT. From here, we're just going to hit the search box. Now, we can see company profile, Pepsi Inc., and we can see that it's from 2025. If we keep scrolling, we're going to see a SWOT analysis, a company profile, more company profiles, and more SWOTs. Let's click on the SWOT analysis. You can hit the download button to download the PDF, and it will pop up in the PDF view. Here we can see an overview, key facts, and a SWOT. The SWOT contains information on the 4 SWOT areas, and if you'll scroll further down, each will go into a brief explanation. Once I've clicked on a result, on the top right corner, I have a citation option, so I can select my citation style, and it will generate a citation for me. I can copy that citation and then paste it into my report, my paper, or just a Google Doc that you're using to keep track of your citations. Under Export Citation, you do have various export options, but keep in mind, at this time, we are not able to email a citation. You can hit the Share button and select Email to email the result to yourself, or you can just select the Download button to get the same download box. If I go back to my results, let's look at a company profile. I'm going to click the company profile. Then, once again, I can hit the download button to just download the whole thing as a PDF. It'll pop up for me, and I can see what's in the company profile. So the same overview and SWOT that we had from the SWOT analysis, but there's more information in here as well. A description, a history, employee bios, products and services, and even a list of competitors. If you select any of the sections in the PDF view, it will pop you down. So here you can see a list of competitors. Keep in mind, this list is in alphabetical order and isn't ranked in any way. The same tools will be on the top right as with the SWOT. I can get a citation for the company profile. I can email the profile to myself, and I also have the download in the top right. You can scroll through and find all the various versions of SWOTs and company profiles. Each one will give you a date, so you'll know how recent that particular information is.